Oh, cool. I'm back. Let me do a quick check. Okay. All volumes are. Got a coffee. Got my coffee. Quick mic check. Check. All right. So we have a few things to do. One of which is trying to run the the server in headless mode. Okay. Alright, trying to run the server. So we check. We have headless. What if the server should I make? What are the mods that I want to support? Having both or dedicated server. Server. And then headless. Server mode. Okay, maybe I need something like a network mode. A net mode. Up net mode. Server, host, and client. So let's say that not class, but an enum class. I'm gonna call it net mode. Is it too generic? Oh no, it's a name. It's in a namespace, so it is protected. So a net mode can be server, host, or a client. Is this a good naming? what saver? Server. We have server, host, dedicated server, host, and a client. I'm gonna call it dedicated server. So it's much more explicit on the intent. Dedicated server, server and client. Host. Does host make sense? Net mode. Is being dedicated even a net mode? I mean, headless. It's already like you could have a headless client. A bot. Yeah, a bot would be a headless client. So I want to make them separate. Don't want to keep them tied together. So instead, I'm gonna keep the two separate for now. Okay, so that is the mode. This is okay, headless. Well, I'm gonna need this. Sorry again, but I'm gonna need it here. So app. These are all events that the headless mode won't receive. Headless. Yeah, no input for the headless. No resize. It's gonna get operating system event though. But overall, it won't need all of these fancy objects. So XR will definitely be false. It's server mode, and then headless true. While headless here is false. And we have a new constable headless. Okay. I'm gonna leave it to that. I'm trying to compile because I think I forgot to commit to the current state, which when I'm working on a new feature, I would like to just save the current state in which we fixed. Yeah, we fixed some of those things. Fixed XR. won't call this a fix. Yeah, I had to test this because I'm trying to draw the newly created cube. Change to the IP address. And that's it. Well, there's not really much going on anyway, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be safe. Yeah, I will just keep pumping the code. Pumping, pumping, pump, pump. So that's got to be first parameter. And this actually goes into the globals, really. What are my globals? Globals, headless. And then a bool server mode. It's false. And I don't know, XR mode. That'd be useful. Yeah, these are things that I would like to be able to access globally. Globally accessible things. So XR mode, I'm gonna move that to, boom, that's very global. Global. Alright, there's still a few things here that are not very up-based. Uniform. So this is gonna be globals XR mode. It is XR mode. Globals, Alt Enter. Yes, you also get promoted. Then we have global server mode. Good job. Good guess. Good guess. Good guess. Yep, you got it right. Out. I would like if there was a button that I can press and go to the next error. That might be. Go to the next error. It should be navigate. Declaration. Previews. Next highlight. Ooh, there is. Next highlight error. F2. There you go. Good. Look at that. Productive mode enhanced. So that was it, right? Not much else around. I just wish I could have the same feature for modules. I'm pretty sure I'm not using much of these modules anyway. All right, so when we are headless, we don't want all of these things to happen because we won't have any XR. No render paths, none of these will ever happen, and then the whole resources won't exist. And systems. So let's see the systems. Audio. Well, we want to need an audio system. Will we? Audio system. XR mode. Bro, what? Oh, no, these are. Well, these are not server mode. Okay, these are global now, so you won't need them anymore. I could do the check in here. Oh no. I'll be right back. Yeah, I was muted the whole time. Okay. The chat is not working, guys. Why is the chat not working? What am I doing? So open studio. Oh, okay. There you go. Broken stream again. But why is this chat not working? Select stream. Refresh. Yeah, the chat window's not working. I'm gonna close it. Chat. Yeah, the chat window is definitely not working. I can see your messages here, but not there. Where am I streaming in? What is the stream? Oh, okay. Let me figure this out, because this is crazy. Sorry guys, but oops, what did I do? But when I'm doing the stream, yeah, that's the stream, right? That's the one. And I can see all of your messages now, but not in the OBS pop-up. Which has gone crazy. Top chat. Refresh again. Yeah, that's just go. It's just broken. This is just broken. Working. Yeah, this is just broken at so many levels. So it must be pointing to a different chat. What the heck? Open the widget. Why does everything has to be so complicated? Participants. Oh, participants, that's only me. But moderation. Why is this bro looking at the wrong? I'm gonna try to stop the stream and restart it real quick. Yeah, I need to restart OBS. Here. Oh no! I know what I did. I knew there was something sketchy about it, but so I started streaming on the wrong stream. No, not that. Live stream. So apparently I picked this one, which is the default one, and started streaming into it. But then I switched. Yeah, but then I created this one, and for some reason it's got the same key, and so it was streaming to this one, but I was looking at the messages on the other one. So I started on this one and then switched to the other. Well, whatever. Anyway, I'm back. Yeah. So okay, that's the fuck up of the day has been done. Let's get back to work. So we have some breakage happening. Okay, board, and let's try debug mode. Ooh, what's going on? Create systems, and we have the physics system. So what is the matter? If physics systems wait, what? Why do you have a Vulkan context? You shouldn't have one. Oh, what? Oh, wait. I didn't break. Wait. Let's go back to the win main. So if you don't stop it here, that's why. I should have stopped it. So return up init. Does it do a return? Up init. Oh, initialize also. I need to be called initialized. Initialize does that. But that should only initialize. Well, that's fine. It just ticks. Initialized and return true. That's it. Up init. It's up init. It's a void. Should be white. All right, let's try this again. It was dying. It was doing a double initialization. So okay, it's loading the world. Which it's loading the world. Now also the way it loads the world is a bit. So the way it loads the world, you need to change a little bit because it should only be aware of where the players are. So right now it's only aware of where the main player is. But since we are not doing physics simulation, that is fine. So we have, hooray, we have a server. Let's try running a client, and then we can call it the day. Wait, what? Did it break? Yeah, I think it broke. Oh, virtual block. Why are you trying to allocate? Add player. Okay, makes sense. Add player. We are headless, so you don't need to do that. Stop. And globals headless. Are we headless? Then don't do that. I know it's not the best way to do that, but bear with me. This is going to work. Incompatible operands. No, wait, what? Okay, let's just do the thing. No? It wants. Can I just geometry? Okay, it needs to be a geometry. Oh, resources geometry. Okay, there you go. You see? Okay, that should be fixed. And I need to close the client because otherwise Windows does not compile if the file is open somewhere. All right, let me catch up with the chat. Hey 42. You back? When did you say that you'll be back? 20, 30 minutes. Yeah, should be back in a little bit, right? Still haven't fixed the audio. Yeah, now it should be fixed. I don't know why it was. I think I muted it at the beginning. Yeah, I forgot. Hey Daniel Skywalker. Hey Elite AI. I think you're all gone by now, but I'm just catching up. Inversion technologies, I see. What? Why is inversion technology? It's off, you're muted. What? Inversion technology. Who's running who's running the social? That's what I've been saying. Well, I'm sorry, but I didn't see your messages so far. Okay. Okay. Anyway, are we back? Yep. And running a client. Okay, nothing's crashing. Oh, the server is still sending its position. Bro, you shouldn't do that anymore. Well, at least you are a playing server. Otherwise, it's all good. Okay. You're heading into the right direction. This is the right direction. Boom, close it. And boom, disconnect. There you go. I just need to fix ndom user. Okay, this is definitely wrong. Random user, and then it's off by it's off by the size. Yeah, bro, that's wrong. I think there is a very wrong thing somewhere. There should be a serializer, and when you're doing strings, deserializer, message writer. Message writer is such a bad name. Message reader and writer. Yeah, let me rename this to message. Message serializer. No, wait, what? Shift F. What is Shift F6? Yeah. Message. So the message reader. Message reader is the deserializer. I'm gonna leave it like this. I will change it sometime. Write string. Okay, the write string is where write string is fine actually. So write the value and then append. Okay, and then append. It's good because it's gonna increment the buffer anyway. So the buffer size is handled correctly there, but not here, because so the offset plus the size, which is 16, message data. Message dot data plus the current offset. Wait, you didn't write the. Oh, bro, you didn't write the size. You didn't write the size, bro. Did you? No, you didn't. String means read. Oh no, wait. Read is done. So read already does the offset. Twice? 2 offsets. Okay, I did 2 offsets. So read already does the offset. And plus, and this is also not needed. Yep, so read already did the offset correctly. Stop that and restart it. We should at least get the right name. So I will start soon pushing some builds either on Steam and or on the MetaQuest. So stay tuned, and yeah, I'll post updates on the Discord server. Let's see, that is working. That must be 0, I guess. That must be the 0 of the world, because it's perfectly aligned to one of the cubes. Okay, so I close the client. I should try to do a bit of a cleanup when I'm closing the connection, so it doesn't time out, but it just exits the game. Okay, one little update. When we do the tick here, so we don't want this to happen. Yeah, don't update the players. This could be moved up then. It's because it's got the delta time. I see. Why does update not have the delta time? Update needs the delta time. Yeah, update. Where is update being called? Render and then update. Update. There. Technically, you have the delta time, so why not use it? Const float delta time. That's as easy as it can get. So having the delta time, it makes a huge lot of a difference. Delta time passing there, and delta time. And why not? The world gets a delta time too. Everybody gets a delta time. It's delta time day. It's free delta time day. Update delta time. And who else needs it? Okay. Everybody gets the delta time. Now, physics system doesn't accept it yet. Float delta time. You got a delta time. And we can now move this. Boom. Oh yeah. Also this basic player destroyed. Player remove player. Okay, garbage collect players. Okay, garbage collect. Peer player. Cool. Send a message to the peers. Well, I think it's already removed by this time. Nice. Update const float delta time for you. That means you can also send it on the update. Client, yeah, client got an update. Client now accepts delta time. Yeah, that's the one. Come on. Yeah, it's taking a bit of time. By the way, let me check if the other stream is still going. So this is the actual stream. What about this guy? Oh, okay, that was a lone stream. The lone streamer. Okay. Destroy. So the update shouldn't be called when it's headless. Oh, wait, maybe the update should be called. Let's see. When the player is headless. So when the server is headless, then it doesn't participate. But when the client is headless, it needs to send its update. So that makes a huge difference. So the client keeps updating. Yeah. It just doesn't have geometry. But in the case of the server, it will not send updates. Basic interpolation. Okay. Wait. Are we doing interpolation here? Okay, we're not doing interpolation here. So we should do interpolation. Connect. Yeah, we should probably also do interpolation in here, but only only for an actually playing game. It's gonna be players, and player position is velocity. Okay, that's how we interpolate motion across updates. Let's remove some dead code. Oh, hey 42, welcome back. Yeah, it is fixed. All right. Cool. So, A42, I managed to get the server running. Now it's able to run in headless mode. And I guess the net. What? Oh, I forgot something. Update. Wait, this got an update. Float update. Okay, that's fine. I forgot to update the world signature. And now we have a fully headless server. There you go. It's loading the world. Yeah, I need to change its behavior because it's loading based on not much. So it needs to load the world based on the players that have joined. But nonetheless, if I run a client now, the client is loading everything as expected. And it's in the world, but it's falling. Okay, there you go. We are in the world. The server is not sending its own position anymore. And I should be able to join with another client. There you go. It's wait. It is there. Refresh it. Oh, okay. Now it, oh, weird. For some reason it was giving me the wrong position. Okay. So it is running. Oops, I fell into the hole. It looks pretty smooth. Oh, okay. It's very basic. And I still need to do a real networking test. So maybe I'm gonna release it soon. Even though I need to make it the server run on a virtual machine. And yeah, that's the plan. Where can I get a cheap virtual machine? I'm gonna try and see if I can find cloud hot somewhere. But that's all for today, guys. We have a successful update, and I will just commit everything so we don't lose progress, as I tend to mess up very much every day. So headless, and everything is about headless. So I would call this commit implementing headless server, because it really is just a server. Commit implementing headless server. I did not try the headless client yet. And I don't expect it to work. Okay, so I'm gonna try to run one on the fly. And headless mode. It is connected, and it died. it died right away. But that's fine. Why did it die? Why did you die? We got the connection. It probably tried. Yeah, it probably tried to create some resources. But that's fine. That's all, guys. Thanks for following, and see you next time. Have a lovely day or night. Bye bye.